Good evening, everyone. Thank you so much po sa pag-celebrate with us. Maraming salamat po. Lahat po nandito ay very selected, family and friends. So lahat po kayo ay may slot sa heart namin. Kaya po kayo nandito. So thank you so much.